Now, the add-on clubs are on my website. They are currently for NinjaTrader NT8 and ThinkorSwim. So we're going to go through examples there. And these are quarterly memberships at 79 bucks a quarter. And what I'm trying to do over the next 5 years or so is every quarter bring you a couple of add-ons that are really going to help with your trading. Not specific strategies, but tools that will help you understand behavior. You know, I'm all about behavior, and it's all about understanding that will give you help with your elliott wave indicator sweep, for example. So we've got 3 add-ons in the first quarter, and then in the next quarter you get 2 more, and then so on and so forth. So the first one is an automated harmonic pattern recognition tool. This is European Japanese yen. Okay, it's a forex pair. We'll look at other examples as well on futures and stocks and things like that. But the main thing is when we get a harmonic pattern complete in a projected fib zone, and we print all that for you, we're looking for a long. Okay, in this case, this is a 15-minute European Japanese yen. It's a forex pair. Gets a really great crab pattern here. It completes in the projected zone. Then we look for a long. The next part of the add-on club, the cloud. Now, before, when we had clouds, they were fixed. What we've done is developed the cloud now, so you can change it. You can change the EMA that you have for. So for me, 34 EMA is really, really, really good for trading this type of pattern away from it. So when we get the crab pattern complete in the zone, you can go pretty long, pretty quick. But for me, an entry out above the 34 EMA is always a conservative entry. I'm British, I'm conservative, and I want to make sure that it started to move away. So it starts to move away, it comes up through the cloud, and we trade the long. Very, very simple. So, you know, this could be, for example, you could have a roller coaster printed on here as a long, and you've got this harmonic pattern backing you up, if you like. You know this is going to be a really good long. Let's have a look at some more examples. RTY. Now, the third indicator that we've got on the add-on club is it's a mixture of the market open. So we have the London Open and the European Gold Pit Open, the New York Gold Pit Open, and the New York Stock Exchange Open. We can then identify those ranges. So on indexes, we say, you know, we should be looking at a 15-minute range, that first 15-minute candle. And we can identify those and push those out into the future because they will be tested again. So this is RTY on the 15-minute. And we can see, we can tell the story, if you like. We've got the London Open here for that 15-minute, for that FTSE. And then RTY drops down out of that opening range and we go short. Find support in our 34 EMA. Freaky that, okay? They've been a little bit wishy-washy today, but we go back. We see this London Open here from yesterday. We get a nice range and it stays in that range for quite a long time. It comes down to test that EMA cloud and then poof, pops, okay? We then go into the New York Open range, 15-minute candle. It goes sideways, tests the cloud, but it pops up above, okay? And it just keeps going. And this is used for indexes. It's also can be used for currencies, which is on a 10-minute time frame, we suggest, and also gold, metals on that Gold Pit Open. We trade that every day and it's really, really good. And rather than throw, you know, 20 at you all at once, you get 3 in the first quarter. You start to learn to understand how they are going to help you with your Elliott wave, with your roller coaster, with your bits, or another strategy that you use. And you may not use them. For example, the opening range on the indexes and on gold and everything like that, you'll use that once a day. We use it every single day. We trade it every day and we win every day. Not necessarily all big runners and not necessarily indexes or gold all the time. You know, you've still got to do a little bit of work, but the idea is you will get to really understand during that first quarter what's going to help you. Now, you're not going to get a harmonic pattern form on every single instrument every single day, but when it does, and you've got good support, and you're looking for that long, that is really, it's a confidence builder. And that's what a lot of these add-ons will be, is confidence builders. But again, I'm not going to give you 20 all at the same time because it'll be just too much. You'll get a few in the first quarter, 2 the next quarter, 2 the next quarter. You might get a bonus in the next quarter and 3 in the other. But the thing is, you get time to use them. See what's useful. What you trade, is it useful? What you trade? And it's $79 a quarter. It's not a great deal.